Removing the drop-in soaking tub and the surround platform is not as difficult a job as it may look. This cultured marble tub and surround panels are held together with a silicone sealant. Once the sealant is cut, the panels are easily removed. The supporting frame is also taken apart with minimal effort. The most difficult part of the job, obviously, is removing the tub once the framing is gone and all the plumbing has been removed. Initially, we thought that breaking it apart with a sledgehammer would be about the only way that we could remove it ourselves, thinking that it would be too heavy for us to handle it in one piece. We figured that it would be about as heavy as the standalone soaking tub that is part of our remodel. The new soaking tub weighs over 300 pounds, and we needed experienced movers to get it upstairs and store it just outside the bathroom. To our surprise, once we got this tub freed up, we lifted one end up and it seemed like we should be able to handle moving it down the stairs and out the house. It probably weighs under 200 pounds. We basically slid it around on the top edge of one side once we got it away from the water supply lines. Okay, next thing we have to do is cut the water supply lines off. I've got my compact pipe cutter. Allows me to get in tight spots. I'll be able to cut this one off at the floor line, no problem. This one, the tub's in the way, so until I get some of that removed, I'll just temporarily cut it and cap it off over here. Eventually, all these supply lines will be moved to the other side where the new valve is going to be installed. So for the time being, I'll just cut them and reuse these SharkBites to cap it off, and they work real well. I did shut the water line valves off in the basement and opened a couple faucets downstairs to drain the lines, so we're good to go.
Wow, look at that! I knocked all the blocks over. Hey!
So here's the old tub, ready to be hauled out to the dumpster. And here's the empty tub area ready to have the floor cut open to move all the plumbing. We'll be doing that in the next video, so make sure to check back as we proceed with installing the new standalone soaking tub in our bathroom remodel. As always, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.